Allison.
Perfect spot. For what? The picnic, you said. What? You said you'd bring all the stuff, and I thought you did. I thought you just left it in the car that we used to drive here, and that I get to pick the spot. That's what you said. What? Did you not remember? Maybe? I am gonna kill you. Do you even know where we are? Well, you're the one that chose it. You said that you knew where this place was. Well, I thought I did. You mean we're lost? And we're gonna die here? Well, I wouldn't exactly say you'd die here. Who are you? Oh, I'm offended. Deeply offended. Nah, I'm not
You guys
offended.
having fun?
Still kind of confused. Ugh. What's that? Something that is my best. This is one of the regular beasts that you see around here. Not that strange to see them. That's kind of scary. Just wait till you see the things that happen around here at night. Ha.
Sorry.
Anyways, do you have like a camp? Nope, you just sleep in the moss. You? You won't be saying ew when I save your life. Now, come on this way. I'll show you guys a nice spot. Ugh. Come on, babe. Coming. I said hurry up. I am coming. Hello. Jordan. Yes, Addison? Come! Sorry. And anyways, here we are. Wow, it's beautiful. I thought you said you were taking us somewhere nice. Would you rather not have me to help you survive? Ugh. Fine. Anyways, you guys find a place that you like, and I'm gonna go hunting. Hunting? Yeah, find some food. I'll cook us a meal. I'll stay here and do nothing. No, I'm gonna sleep. Boy, wake up. Ugh. Sorry, what? Couldn't find anything. Where's your girlfriend? She's cooking. Cooking? Over there. Come on. Ugh. What are you cooking? Just a little something to eat. What is it? It's bark salad. Meh. Oh my god, I am not eating that. I would rather eat the grass. Go ahead. Ugh. I just hope we can get out of here. Yeah. Hey! Did you guys come here in a blue van? Yeah. I just found it. Come on, it's this way. We're finally free. Let's go. Bye, home. I'll be back.